How to fix iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out issue. Let's get started. Open your settings. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for minimum 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, scroll down, open the option general, scroll all the way down, click on the option shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to power off your phone. After you turn off your phone, again turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution, open the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click on the option of reset. Click on reset all settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process. Once you reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Likewise, heading towards last solution, you have to first restart your iPhone. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Press and hold the side button. When the Apple logo appears, release the side button. Once you apply all these processes, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue iPhone Wi-Fi and Bluetooth grayed out. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.